to handle heat humidity on rest day. Tips for staying safe when running in race. 1. Rest day reliable. That I see runners struggle with is the weather. They don't seem to understand that the temperature isn't something they can control, but how they adjust to it is completely their call. If the race is hard, you can adapt your exceptions and still
exception 是什么啊
expectation and still emerge with a positive experience. Here are my tips for dealing with a hot and humid rest day. Adjust expectation. Don't start with expectation. Don't start again with the same goals that you had when you were training. If you stubbornly go after the same path that you practice, you will probably end up on a death march toward the finish lines. Begin conservatively and figure out if you are able to step on the gas over the final few miles. Allow yourself to set different goals if conditions are not cooperating. Study shows that for every 5 degrees that temperature rise after 60 degrees. You can expect to slow down nearly 20 to 30 seconds per mile. Forget watch and run perceived effort. Run by perceived effort. You will probably finish stronger that way. Wear appropriate clothing. You want to make sure your gear is helping to keep you cool. So put on loosely fitting clothes made of sweat wicking. Materials. Consider wearing sunglasses and a cap, and apply sunscreen. Splash yourself when you pass a station. Take a cup to drink and a cup to splash over your head as a cooling method. Sometimes rest will provide other cooling measures like cold sponges or hoses, spraying runners. If you feel like you are overheated, take advantage of these amenities. Hydrate before, during, and after the game. You want your urine to be light yellow. That's how you know your hydration game is on point. Make sure you taking on a couple of swallows of sport drinks that contain electrolytes. which helps your body absorb water. There's no need to overdo it, but make sure you are not feeling thirsty. You don't feeling thirsty. You will you want pay attention to your hydration. Start your hydration beginning the day before the rest.
好。